Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to use StoreApp's point-of-sale system to manage your sales easily and effectively. To access the retail sales interface, navigate to Point of Sales, Retail, then Sales. This is the point-of-sale interface, designed to make your sales process fast and efficient. From here, you can view available products, add items to the cart, manage customer selections, and complete transactions smoothly. Let's explore the retail point of sale. This interface is divided into two main areas. Product Display Area. Here, you'll see all active products and services, complete with details like barcode, quantity, unit of sale, category, manufacturer, and selling price. Use the search bar to quickly find items. You can also filter by description, price, quantity, and total quantity. There is also an option to filter by category. Cart Area. This is where you add items selected for sale. You can specify quantities, select a customer. You can also lay away, recall, and clear products. Adding items to the cart. To add items to the cart, scan the barcode on the product, or search for the product and click on the Add button next to it. To add multiple quantities, you can simply select and use the number buttons below to specify quantities, and click on the Add button at the bottom or the F8 button. Checkout process. Once the cart is ready, click the Checkout button. Here, you'll finalize the sale by applying discounts or coupons, choosing a payment method, cash, POS, credit, check, bank transfer, or web payment, selecting a receipt type. Once all details are entered, click Submit to complete the sale. A receipt will be generated and the inventory will be updated automatically. Pro forma invoices and pre-sales. StoreApp also supports pro forma invoices and pre-sales. These are useful for creating sales orders or quotes. Pro forma invoices print out a document listing all selected items, while pre-sales generate a code that can be used to retrieve the order later. How to make a pre-sale/order. Go to Point of Sale, Retail, Pre-sale/order. Adding product to cart is the same as the retail point of sale interface. When done, click on the Save Items at the bottom of the page. Items will be successfully saved and a code to recall the order will be generated. To recall or retrieve order, go to Point of Sale, Recall. Recall pre-sale/invoice. Input the code generated and submit. Click on the Checkout button to finalize order. How to record a customer deposit. To record customer deposits, navigate to Point of Sale. Customer deposit. Enter the customer details, deposit amount, payment type, and any relevant notes. This helps maintain accurate records of customer balances. How to evacuate cash at the point of sale. The Evacuate Cash option is used for routine cash withdrawals, expense payments, and supplier payments. Go to Point of Sales, Evacuate Cash, enter the amount, select the purpose, and submit. How to make a sales refund. To process a refund, go to Point of Sales, Refund, Make Refund. Enter the receipt number, select the items to refund, and submit. The refund must then be authorized by a user with the appropriate privileges. Finally, the refund payment can be made through Point of Sales. Refund. Confirm payment. Customizing the POS. StoreApp offers various settings to customize the POS experience. You can enable or disable features like adding free items to sales, adjusting cart item prices, and viewing profit on sales. How to view sales report. To view sales reports, go to Reporting, Sales Report. Here, you can access detailed information on all sales, sales summaries, and more. You can filter reports by date, department, product, store, and other criteria. And that's it. You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to use StoreApp's point-of-sale system to manage your sales effectively. Remember to explore the different settings and features to tailor the system to your specific business needs. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!